Definitely, don't worry. We have ample of time. In fact, we have 3 working days, and I will cover from very basic to the advanced. And do you know, when I give trainings to the corporate organizations where participants are around 15, 20, then 2 days are more than enough. And you are quite uh, fortunate in this area that I will give you the training in the whole 3 days, and you will get a lot of the new ideas in it. Okay, now let's start our lecture. And before starting our lecture, I would request you to please take notes either on MS Word or on paper, so that whenever I talk something, whenever I tell you any, you can say the feedback, any guidance, advice, you just note it down. It will help you in your working life, or it will help you to make advanced spreadsheet modeling. Okay, now let's start. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay,
Yes.
Nicole, can you see my screen? Okay, if you see in the Microsoft Excel, this is this sheet is open in front of you, and in a single, this is called single workbook. Workbook means a single Excel sheet, single Excel file that contains multiple worksheets. This is a workbook, and in the top, in the green title, this is called Excel workbook name. Right now, the book name is book 7. Okay, this is called title bar, and then the name of the file. And here, these are called worksheets. Sheet 1, by press here, I can add multiple sheets, even though you can add here around 256 worksheets here. Okay, this is the workbook. The name of the workbook is book 7, but right now I'm working in sheet 2, means I'm working in sheet 2, and I can rename this sheet as well. There are multiple ways to rename it. Let's say simple double click here and write a worksheet name. Let's say if I write it name Excel training. Okay, and the second way is that you can rename it by simple right click over there. Go there are multiple options. Go there, rename, and rename the it name, let's say Excel training part 2. Okay, whenever you will open an Excel file, you will see a green bar. This is called the title bar of the workbook, and all these are called worksheets. In a single workbook, there can be multiple worksheets, and in a single worksheet, you can see single worksheet contains multiple cells. This is a single cell. In a single worksheet, you can see there a single sheet contains rows and columns. A column, B column, C column, D column, and it can move up to 16,000 columns. Okay, and if we move into the rows, this is single row, second row, third row, fourth row. Means in a single Excel worksheet, we have 16,000 columns and more than 1 million rows. This is a single row, and the naming convention for the rows is numbers, while the naming convention for the columns is alphabets. Let's say if I'm in the cell I11, you can see in the name box, this is called name box. In the name box, I'm cell I11. If I'm here, I can see I'm in L17. L means L column, 17 means 17 row. Let's say if I ask from Nicole, in which cell I'm at the moment, in which cell I am at the moment, I26. I means I column, 26 means 26 row. Means in a single Excel sheet, there are blocks. Right now, I'm at the moment I26. Okay, fine. Just give me
Yeah,
the
that's good.
thumbs up if
Yeah,
you're fine. That's great.
good.
That's great. I just started that whenever you will open an Excel file, this is called Excel workbook. In a single workbook, there can be multiple worksheets, and single worksheet contains multiple cells. And a single cell become with alphabet or and number. Alphabet means this is a cell. A single cell contains from columns and rows. Now the question arises: how many columns we have? If we see the A column, B column, C column, we have total 16,000 columns. And how many rows? More than 1 million rows. Let me show you how we can see the columns and rows. Let's say right now I'm A4. We can see in the name box. This is called name box. Let's say if I want to jump into the last row, I will press Control down arrow. Control is a shortcut to jump into the last row. right now you can see in the name box, I'm at the moment A column and this row number. Okay. Now if I want to move back into the first row, what will be the shortcut? I'm here at the last row, but I want to move back into the first row. What will be the shortcut?
Would you just type in A1?
No. Yes, the one option is that in the name box type A1. Why? Very good. And what is the second option, Nicole? I want to move back into the cell A1. How can I do that?
I don't know.
No issue, no issue. Basically,
Sorry. Sorry,
don't
my
worry.
eyes,
Yes.
yeah, it's hard for me to see. So I'm gonna try my best to follow.
Okay. Um, you are on mute, Nicole. Basically, I always interact my session both ways so that you may, I will ask question, you will give me the answers. By this, the retention power would be high. Okay. Right now, I'm here, cell A column, the row number, which is more than 1 million. And if I want to move back into the first row, the shortcut is control up arrow. Automatically, it will jump into the first row. If I press control down arrow, let me write here, control in your laptop plus down arrow. Let's say I'm here. If I want to jump into the last row, control down arrow. Magic, I just move into the last row. And if I want to move back into the first row, control up arrow, I move back into the first. Likewise, if you want to move into the last column, control right arrow, automatically you move into the last column. Control left arrow, you move into the first column. Means in a single worksheet, if you want to move around the sheet, if you want to move into the corner of the sheet, just press control up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, automatically you will move inside your worksheet. Got it? Give me the thumbs up. Nicole?
Thumbs
Nicole?
up.
Now, there are two options. One way, let's say if I say to you, go into the cell A100, this is the name box. Just press there A100. Automatically, you will move into that cell. Let's say if you want, I say to you, go to the cell, let's say C17, press there C17. Automatically, sorry, C17. Automatically, you will move into that cell. You can see there. C is being highlighted, 17 is being highlighted. Means I'm at the moment in cell C17. I'm just giving you the idea that how you move inside the worksheet. Okay. Now, let's say if you see in the bar, this is called quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar means, let's say if I write something and I want to, let's say I want to bold, I want to increase the size, or I want to give the background of the color, and I'm using these kind of tools, and you want to use these tools frequently again and again, again and again, then I will put these tools here. How? Just simple right click, add to the quick access toolbar. Automatically this tool will come here, and I will use these tools frequently again and again. Let's see if I write some name here. Write name here. Now, I want to go here.
You're cutting in and out really bad.
Okay. And I want to go how can I do this? Just simply go there. Sorry, but did you get? Okay, add back here. Hello. Okay, now it's fine. I can't hear you. Now you are into. Let me check it. Okay, let me change my internet connection. I have another connection. Now my voice is clear. Can you hear me properly?
Yes, I could hear you.
Okay, okay. I was just telling you what is the quick access toolbar and how you can add new tools here. New tools like, let's say if I always use this tool frequently again and again, then I can put this tool here. Let's say if I want to change the fill color again and again, I just right click here and put it into the quick access toolbar. This is called quick access toolbar. Okay, let's say if I write something here, if I write my name, okay, and I want to change the background color, just go there and apply any color that you want. Okay, through this you can use your quick access toolbar. All these are called tabs: home tab, insert tab, data tab. In every tab you will see multiple options to work there. Multiple options to work there means in a single tab you can see that, let's say I'm in the home tab. Home tab means in the home tab you can see there are multiple groups: font group, alignment group, number group, styles group. We will go through all the tools with the passage of time, but I am just giving you the brief idea, bigger picture of Microsoft Excel worksheet. Okay, when you see a single workbook, this is the name of the workbook. All these are called worksheets. Right now I'm in the Excel training part 2 worksheet. I can rename, I can give color of this sheet as well. Let's say if I want to give the tab color, I can give the different color over there. Right now you can see that I just give the yellow color of my worksheet. In a single worksheet you can see multiple cells, how many columns we have, and column names start with alphabets: A, alphabet B, alphabet C, alphabet D. All these are columns. Columns mean vertical lines. Likewise, how many rows we have? More than 1 million rows in an Excel worksheet. This is a row, and row name starts from numbers: number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. And right now let's say if I'm in the cell A1, means you can see in the name box I'm right now in the cell A1. And if I want to jump into the last cell, I will apply the shortcut, that is control down arrow. Automatically it will move into the last cell. Likewise, if I want to move into the last column, I will press control right arrow. Automatically it will move into the last row. And by using control, I can jump into the cells. Then we learned quick access toolbar means any tool that I use frequently, I will put into there. How can I do that? Just simple go there. Let's say if I use this again and again, right click, add to quick access toolbar. Now you can see this has been appeared into the quick access toolbar, because in Excel there are a bunch of options, but anyone use the options as per his or her requirement. Then they put the few tools into the quick access toolbar. All these are tabs: home tab, insert tab, draw tab. There are multiple options over there. This is called formula bar. Formula bar. Let's say if I write some number 5, 6. Let's say if I write two numbers and I want to add these two numbers, you can see in the formula bar there are only numbers at the moment, 6, only 6. But if I want to add two numbers, I will apply some formula. And I know definitely you would know that formula always starts with equal sign. Then you will apply any formula. This is very important. First you will start equal sign, then write the function sum. Now you can see by simple apply the function, sum has been highlighted. Then you will press tab, 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 that is behind Q. Automatically you will move inside your formula. Okay, then select the range. Let's say name 1, number 2. Now you can see your both number have been added and you got your desired answer, that is 11. Now in the formula bar you can see that both two numbers have been added. Which one? L6, L7, and I got my desired answer. And the beauty of this function is that if you change the number, let's say if I change, you can see automatically your answer will be updated. Okay, give me the thumbs up if you are clear up till now. Nicole, give me the thumbs up if you are clear.
I'm good. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Now I just apply the sum function over there. Let's say if I want to say to you, let's add a numbers from 1 to 10 and give me the sum. How can I do that? Let's go into the new Excel worksheet. Write some numbers over there. 1, 2, 3. And Microsoft Excel has a very important feature. Let's say if you want to increase the number with certain sequence, just drag it down. Let's say up till here. It will drag your number and then there is a window for you. You can change, let's say copy cells to the fill series. Automatically a new series will become for you from 1 to 15. Okay, now I want to add these 15 numbers. How will I do that? Nicole, can you help me? I want to add these numbers. How can I do that? Is equal to
You do the sum, huh?
Then
click on 1 through.
No. Before jump into the cells, press tab. Then you will move inside your formula. Until you move inside your formula, you can't apply any function. That's very important. Then select the range. Now
Wait, can
I
you
want to
repeat
select.
that again, please?
Okay, let me repeat it again. Let's say I want to add these 15 numbers. I will start my formula is equal to sum. Now, although I select my formula, but still I am outside from my formula, I will press tab, tab, that is behind Q in my keyboard. Automatically, I will move inside my formula. Now I will add all these numbers. I will select these numbers. Let's say I will select these. Because I want to select all the numbers from 1 to 15, I will use shift function. By press shift, automatically 4 cells will be selected like this. Okay, press enter. Now you can see automatically you get your desired answer, that is 120. And in future, if you change this number, let's say if I change it, my answer would be updated accordingly. Okay, can you do this for me again, Nicole? Nicole, can you do this for me? Hello, Nicole? Hello.
Yes. So for this one, you would do G9 equals
Equals sum
parentheses.
for move start the parentheses. I will press tab. Then
Something. Yeah. 5 shift 89 to 89.
And to select all these numbers, I will press shift from my keyboard, then press down.
Yeah.
Now you can see whole range have been selected. Then press enter, automatically you will see your desired answer. Okay, now you can see in the formula bar, it will tell you that you just add the numbers from G5 to G8. G means column, 5 means row. G5, G6, G7, G8 means I add the numbers from the single column G and the rows from 5 to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Rajin, can you do that for me again? I want to add few numbers in there. Please add few numbers. These numbers is equal to.
Okay, so you're gonna hit the equal sign, then sum. Type in sum, and then you're gonna hit the tab, and then after tab, you're gonna go up to 65, and then hit shift, and then all the way down to 15230, and then hit enter, and then you should
Very
get
good, very awesome. You are intelligent. You both are in fact very intelligent. Great. Okay, I get my desired answer. Likewise, you can apply different kind of functions. Okay, let me create a new data set for you. If I create a data set, I am just creating a dummy data. Okay, and let's say this is for January till May. Now let's do some functions over there. Some maximum, minimum, and average. Now I want to add these numbers. How can I do that? Rajan, can you do this for me now? I want to add the numbers for Jan, Feb, March, April, May in separate these cells. How can I do that? Equal to?
So you would just hit equal sum, and then the tab.
Then, sorry, equal to sum, then tab,
and then click on the top 105 and then shift all the way down, or would you shift all the way over to May? Down.
very, very good. This is the result for January.
Okay, just January, okay.
Oh, I did not get my desired answer. Why? Let me change it for you. I don't know why my system is very slow today. Let me refresh it. Just give me a moment. I'm in fact, I have opened so many files. That's why I'm facing this issue. Just give me a moment. Just hold on. Just give me a second. Yeah, 1 minute. Let me restart my system. I'm just coming in 1 minute. Okay, Nicole.
I'm still here. I'm trying to
I'm
figure
just
out how to change
I'm
my
just coming in 1 minute.
screen.
I'm
Yeah.
just Nicole, can you hear me?
Yes.
I'm sorry. I just restarted my system. Now the system is working perfectly fine.
Okay.
Sorry for that.
No problem.
Sorry. Sorry, Regan. I just restarted my system. Now it's working perfectly fine.
It's okay.
There was a lag basically in my system, and I just fixed it now. Let me share my screen. Okay. Now, can you? Everyone can see my screen. Okay. If you see here, I am just starting from the basics as well. I just opened a workbook. The workbook name is book 1. This is by default name. And I'm working in the worksheet, sheet 1. Let me rename this worksheet. How can I do that? One way is that right click there and simple rename it. And Excel training, I can give it to name Excel training. And likewise, I can add the new sheets. So simple, put the plus button. I can give it to the different color. How? Just give it a tab color. Let's say red is a good color. I like it. I can give the color to my tab Excel training over here. Okay, this is called quick access toolbar. Whenever I want to use a tool frequently again and again, then I can put that tool here. Let's say right click, add to quick access toolbar. Now this tool will come into the quick access toolbar. All these are called tabs. In a single tab, there are multiple groups. Like I'm in the data tab. Get and transform data is the single group. Query and connection is a second group. Data types is another group. Sort and filter is another group. In every group, there will be multiple options like advanced tool, text to columns, delete columns, data validation, etc. This is called the name box. Name box means it will tell you that in which Excel cell you are at the moment. Like D22, it means I am in the D column 22 row, like here. Likewise, let's say if I say to you, go into the E177, go there, E177. It means I'm in the E column vertical position and in the 177 rows. Then I teach you how to use the formula bar. Let's say I'm here. I want to move into the last row. How can I do that, Nicole? Nicole, I want to move into the last row. How can I do that?
You push down the down arrow.
Control down arrow.
Yeah, control down arrow.
Then press control up arrow. I will move into the first row. Then let's say if I want to add few numbers, let me write the few numbers over there. I'm writing few numbers. Okay, and let's say these numbers are for different months. Now I want to add, let's say I want to add the dates for I want to all the data for January, February, March, April, May. How can I do that, Nicole? How can I add data for January, February, March, April, and May? How? Is equal to?
So you would do equals sum tab, and then you would click on the first one, shift all the way down to the last one right below, and then enter.
And the one more important thing is that you can simply drag, automatically formula will move into the right side. Like you can see that this formula is for the first range, this formula is for the second range, this formula is for third range, this is for fourth range. Means I can move by formula easily. Okay, now I would request to again Rajan, please add all the data for January, total sales. How can I do that? Is equal to sum. Rajan, please.
So it would just be the same thing. So you just hit equal sum tab and then drag all the way down, shift drag all the way down and then hit enter.
And then drag to the right. Automatically you will get this. Awesome, awesome. We are just taking off into the next level. Now I want to get the maximum number from these. How can I do that? Let's say this is my data, and if I give them to the different color, go to the fill color. Let's say give the color like this. How can I give the color? Just select the data through mouse. You can select it either from the mouse or from the shift button and just give the different color like this. Now I want to pick the maximum number from this range. How can I do that? Max, let's say in this scenario, we can say, I don't know. Let's say the 158 is the maximum number. How can I pick my maximum number? Any idea?
No.
Don't worry. Now, the first question you will ask me, sir, if you want to get the maximum number, what is the function for it in Excel? I would say max, M-A-X is equal to max. Now you can see, read there, returns the largest value in the set of values and ignore logical operators. Press tab, select the range. It will give you the maximum number, 159. Though I was presuming that maximum number is 158, but it was 159. And you can drag it up to the right. Automatically, it will give you the maximum number. Likewise, if I say to you, get the minimum number from the data, how you can do that?
You would just do the same thing as max. You're just going to put equal, and then I'm guessing min, M-I-N.
Very good, very good, very good, very good.
Tab
Just like that. And wow, just you get the data as per your requirement. Now, I want to get the second maximum. How can I do that?
Can you repeat that one more time?
I want to get the second maximum. Second maximum means, let's say the maximum number was 159 and the second maximum could be 158, 157 or 150. How will I get the second maximum?
would you just put equal to max?
No, no 2 max. Now the question arises, what is the function in Excel for it? I would say the function is large. Large will give you the second maximum, third maximum, etc. Then press tab. If you see, there are two arguments in this formula. First is array. Array means select the range, comma. Now you can see automatically I move into the second argument. K means which number you want. You want second maximum, third maximum, fourth maximum, or 10th maximum. In this scenario, I want second maximum. So I press 2. Automatically it will give me the second maximum number. Okay, can you repeat, Nicole? Let me do this again. I want to get the third maximum number now. How can I do that? Third maximum.
You would do equal large
Very good.
tab, and then you would do array.
Array
the
means
shift, the
whole
numbers.
range. Okay.
Mhm.
Then
And then comma 2 or
no.
3.
Very good, very good. Because now I want to get the third maximum. I get my desired answer. Excel is very easy. You are doing awesome job. Both of you are doing learning very quickly. Okay. Now, my question is from Nicole. I want to get the fourth minimum number from my data. How can I get that? Fourth minimum.
So it would be equal
Okay.
small.
Very good. Very good. Awesome. Appreciate it. Then
And then the numbers all together.
shift down arrow
Mm-hmm.
till my data. Please be
Comma.
careful. Don't add these. These are the formulas. You want to add only your data, comma, then press 4.
4.
Very good. Very good. Now, Rajan, I want to get the average of these numbers. How can I do that? Rajan?
Equal AVE, average, yeah,
Don't-
AVE or
No need to write the full formula. Just press move inside your formula.
and
Okay. Then select the
tab.
range.
Yeah.
It will give you the desired answer. Wow. I get my desired answer. Okay. Nicole,
Okay.
Rajan, it is easy, quite easy in fact. Now my question is that let's say I want to see my formulas. How can I do that? Now you can see there are numbers, but in formula bar I can see that all these are formulas while all these are numbers. And there is a shortcut in Microsoft Excel which is called Control plus tilde, that is behind 1. If I press Control tilde, automatically the sheet will give you the backend view, and now you can see which one is the number and where is the formula. You can easily see the whole sheet but just by applying simple shortcut, that is Control tilde. Now this is the toggle button. If I want to move back into the original position, press Control tilde. You can switch into the formula option shape, or you can move into the original database shape like this, Control tilde. I'm just moving into the two views of my data. Okay, let's apply some functions more. And I would request to some Nicole, will you share your screen and do the same thing up till now so that you may get the idea for it. Share your screen.
I don't really have, I'd have to pull up Excel. Hold on.
You don't
Yeah.
have Excel?
I'm actually just following you. Hold on.
Share your screen. Share your screen. We want to see.
Sorry to interrupt. If Nicole or Regan wants to share the screen, so you being an organizer, just right click on their name and then make them the presenter so that they can share their screen.
Okay. Make presenter. Okay.
Yeah,
I make it.
Yeah.
Now.
And then once let's say you are done with what Regan or Nicole wants to share, then you can just right click on your name and make yourself the presenter, and then you can share your own screen.
Okay.
Yeah, thank
Okay,
you.
okay. Now, Nicole, you can share your screen. I have made you the presenter.
Okay, I don't really know, like, hold on.
You don't know how to share your screen?
It's like doing something.
Yeah, we got it. Great. Now, tell me what is the workbook name?
Say that again?
What is the workbook name?
I'd have to name it.
No, this is the worksheet name. Worksheet name is sheet 1. Workbook name is book 1. That is on top of your workbook. Yes, here. This is workbook name. Book 1 in top
Mm-hmm.
in green bar. Now, where is your quick access toolbar?
Hold on.
Regin, can you help? You can help her. You can help her as well.
What was the question?
Where is the quick access toolbar?
The toolbar is up in the top.
Yeah, top.
Yep. And please add any tool in the quick access toolbar.
Okay.
How you will add it?
I
Very
added
good.
that.
Very good. Okay. Now just jump into the last row.
Mm-hmm. So that would be
Jump into the last row.
control down.
Very good. Press it.
Okay.
Control down arrow.
Yeah.
You are in the cell B1 at the moment. Yes, very good. Now move back into the last column, then move back into the cell A50. Very good. Now go to the cell A50.
Which one?
A50. A alphabet A 50.
Okay. Do I just type it in?
No, not here. Go to the name box in the left side of your sheet. In the name box.
Okay.
Yes, here. Type here A50 because this is the name box.
Okay. My computer's
From this
running
box,
slow.
I can understand. You can navigate your worksheet. You can navigate your cell here, and you can jump into anything. Very good. Now A60. Yes, very good. Now add write few numbers, then add them. Apply the function sum, maximum, minimum, average, small, and large. Do it. Write few numbers.
Okay.
Write few random numbers.
And then
You can help her if she gets stuck in some area. Write some numbers. Let's say write 5 to 6 numbers.
okay.
Yep. No. First, create a data set of 5 numbers. You just write here 2. Create a data set of 5 numbers. Very good. Now apply the sum function, max, minimum, large, average. Very good. Then apply the maximum, minimum, large. Let's say I want to get the second maximum.
Oops.
You did not press tab.
Yeah.
You did not select the whole data set. You just missed the shift. Don't worry, you will get it easily.
Did I miss something? Yeah, I
Yes, you
guess
just
so, huh?
you can
Okay,
see in the
hold
formula
on.
bar.
Ah,
No,
let's see. I want to do this. Hold on. Max tab. Tab. Hold on. It's because I'm like almost blind, so it's like hard for me to see. Let's see. This one through this one.
very
Enter.
good. Very good. Now select the second maximum number.
Let's see. Large. Array. Array.
Very good, very good. Now get the third minimum.
The what?
Third minimum.
Third
Third one.
minimum. Okay. No. And then 3.
Very good. Now I want to see all my formulas. What is the shortcut for it?
So that would be control delta, which is, where's delta?
Behind one, behind one.
Huh?
Behind one in your
Behind
keyboard.
1? Yeah, control delta.
Wow. Now you can see your formulas and you can see your data as well. Okay. Now I would request to Agent, please share your screen and do the same thing for me so that you may get familiar about Excel, how you are moving. Now I would request to Nicole, you can ask questions from Regent so that he may follow your instructions.
Okay.
Okay, up till now, what I have told, what I have learned you so far, you can ask from Regent. Regent, please share your screen and do the same thing.
Hold on.
Okay. Meanwhile, can you give me 5 minutes? I am just coming. Let me say my prayer. I'm just coming in 5 minutes. Okay. You can continue your practice, and Nicole, you can help her, and you can ask questions just like I just asked you from. Okay. I'm just coming in 5 minutes.
It says that
We
his
just,
mic is on.
yeah, his mic is on, but he can't speak. We can't listen him. I guess there is an issue. Okay, no issue. We can move forward. We just learned so far what is the workbook, what is the worksheet, what is the difference between workbook and the worksheet. In a single worksheet, Mike, don't worry. And in a single worksheet, how we can move into the different cells. We can apply the multiple shortcuts. Now if you see, let's say this is my data, and I say to you, okay, please, your manager says, or your manager says to you, please highlight all the cells that contain formulas. You can see that there is a value. All these are formulas. And if someone say to you, please highlight all the cells that contain formulas, how you will do that? The shortcut for is F5 function. F5. In some computers, it comes up with function F5. This is called go to special function. How? Select the data. How can I select my whole data? Control A. Automatically it will select my whole data. Control A is the shortcut. Then press F5. This window will open for you. This is called go to special. This is the special. You can pick the then the formulas. automatically all the cells will be selected that contain formulas. Then you will all the cells that contain formulas. Okay. If I write formula over there, okay. And now I want to select all the cells that formulas. I will apply the F5.
Are you still there?
I'm here. Can you hear me, Nicole?
Yes, I think the
Hello?
connection is a little bad.
Yes, connection is little bad, and we can switch off our cameras. Now it's fine. Can you, Nicole? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. I was just telling you that how you can highlight your formulas. How we can do that? Just select the cells, select the data. Let's say if I want to select the whole sheet, select it from there, and apply the function F5. In the F5, then go to special. You can see that there are multiple options over there. And if I want to select the formulas, automatically all the cells will be selected that contain formulas, and then you can change their color in a single click. Likewise, let's say there are blanks in your data and you want to highlight all the cells that contain blanks. How you can do that? Select the data, press F5, special, put the blanks. Now you can see automatically in a single click I can see my all the blank cells. This is the magic of go to special function. Okay, now let's say your manager says that please fill that blanks with 0 or not applicable. Let's say, how can I do that? I will select my whole data set. Let's say this is my data set. F5, go to special, pick blanks and write here not applicable. Then press, because I want to apply this function into the multiple cells, press Control Enter. Now you can see automatically formula will apply into the multiple cells like this. Okay, can we do this again? Do you want to repeat me or it is fine for you? Just give me the thumbs up.
Can you repeat a little bit of with the green markers, please?
Okay, that's great. I'm just doing that. Let me, this was my data. Okay, now I want to see my formulas in different colors. Now you can see there are a bunch of formulas, and if I do this manually it will take a lot of my time, but I don't want to do this manually by single click there, because it will consume a lot of time and it will waste my time. Let's undo this. Now I want to highlight all the cells that contain formulas. How can I do that? Just select the data by using Control A, go to the F5 function. F5, this window will open for you. Then go to the special and select the formulas. Automatically all cells will be selected that contain formulas. I just selected my all the cells that contain formulas. Then I can give them into the different colors like this. Okay. Likewise, if you see, let's say there are few blanks in your data, we can assume that there is no sales in these values. Now your manager says that please replace these blanks with nothing or not applicable. Let's assume there are multiple blanks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and assume the data is huge that contains more than 5 lakh 50,000 1 million data sets, and you want to remove the blanks with certain number or with certain name, and it will be very difficult for you unless until you don't know the shortcut. And what is the shortcut for it? Select the whole data set. I will select my data set. Let's say this is a small data set. Then go to the F5, go to the special, and here there are multiple options. We just used formulas. Now I will go to the blanks. Automatically all the cells will be selected for me that contains blanks. Then I write here, let's say not applicable. Okay, because I want to apply this not applicable into the multiple cells, I will press Control Enter. In a single click, I just apply the not applicable into the multiple cells. Okay, give me the thumbs up if you are okay, so that I move into the next phase.
That's good.
And that's great.
We're good.
Now that's great. Now your manager says that please highlight all the cells that contains text, because this is a number, this is number, this is text. Text means it contains some alphabet. Now I want to make it more visible or change its color. How can I do that? Select the data, F5, special, then into the constants, pick only text. Automatically it will select all the cells that contains text, then give them different color. Through this you can navigate your data. Got my point? Okay. Likewise, you can pick the numbers, you can pick the data and go to special and pick only cells that contains numbers like this. Okay, means by using F5 function, F5, this is called go to special function. F5 is the go to special function. This function will move you to the multiple options. If I select my data, F5, special, I can pick my blanks, I can pick my formulas, I can pick constants with numbers, text, etc. We just go through these few options so that we may get our data code. Okay. Let me repeat it again. Now my question is from Nicole. Nicole, I want to change the color of my formulas. How can I do that? I want to give, let's say, green color for all the cells that contain formulas. How will I do that?
Would you do the F5 button?
No, the first step is to select the data. Always remember
Okay,
this.
select the data.
What is the shortcut for it?
Control A.
Okay, then
F5.
Then
You would do special
then
formulas.
very good. And then I want to give them color. From there I can give the different colors. If you move your mouse, it can give you the different color options. Let's say if I want to this color, that's it. Now Regan, Regan or Regan, what's your name?
It's
Okay, Regan, I want to highlight all the cells that contains blanks. How will I do that?
so you're gonna Control A.
Okay.
Then after, you're going to hit F5.
Okay.
You're going to go to special,
Okay.
and then you're going to go to formulas.
No,
Or
I.
okay, I see it. Yeah, blanks, and then hit OK.
Okay.
And then you could change the colors, and it will only change the blanks.
Okay. Now my question is from Regan again. I want to replace the blanks with not applicable. All the blanks in a single click. How can I do that?
My computer was messing up. I didn't hear you when it's saying that. So how would you do that? So I could write it down.
The procedure is same. Just select the data.
Select the data.
F5.
F5,
Pick the blanks.
blanks.
Up till now, the steps are same. Now go to the formula bar. Right here, let's say not applicable.
Not.
Then press Control Enter. Automatically, it will apply it into the all the cells that contains blanks. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Now.
So I have a question.
Yes. What is the question?
So if you put the not applicable in the actual, like instead of the formula bar, but like the actual location, will it apply to all, or do you have to put it in the formula bar for it to apply to all?
To apply to all, you go to the formula bar, then press Control Enter, because the Control Enter will apply the function into the multiple cells. Let me do this again.
Okay, so you have to press Control for sure. You can't just press Enter.
Yes. No, let me select the few cells. Control. Okay, I just select these cells. Then let's say if I write here OK, because I have selected multiple cells, and this OK will be applied into all these cells whenever I press Control Enter. Now you can see that automatically this applied into the multiple cells. Okay, Nicole, clear?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Likewise. Now my question is from Nicole again. Nicole, I want to replace the blanks with 0. How can I do that?
Well, you selected it, so press F5. Blanks. Formula bar. 0. Control Enter.
Very good. You can apply this into the Control Enter. Very good option. Now, my question is from Regan. My question is that please highlight all the cells that contains text.
So you're gonna hit Control A and select all, and then you're gonna hit F5, go to special,
Okay.
and then go to. You
Constant.
said just text. You're gonna deselect the other ones and just leave text, and then hit OK. And then you could go up to the highlight. Yeah.
What I want to do, I will do that easily in a single click. This is the magic of Excel shortcut, and you can do multiple things over there. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Should I move forward?
Yeah.
That's great. Now my question is from let's say this is for Mike, this is for Jack, this is for White, this is for let's say Alpha, Bravo, Salt. I'm just writing few numbers over there, few names over there. Let's say A, B, C, D. Now let's say these are the names of the participants. Let's say names of employees. Name of employees. Now let's assume Mike came to you. Oh, my name is not Mike. My name is, let's say, Mike MacJaw. How can you replace it? Let's assume this Mike is being written 5 times over there. I want to replace this Mike with, let's say, this is the new name of the Mike MacJaw. Let's say, how can I replace this? There are the names. I want to replace it. What is the shortcut for it? If you go into the Home tab, and here there's different options over there: find and select, sort. Let's say if I select this, find, replace, and the shortcut for is Control H. Select the cell, Control H. Automatically replace window will come for you. Then you can replace, let's say, Mike with Mickey Author. Let's say Mickey Author. Replace all. Automatically you can see that all the cells have been replaced with the new name. Now my question is from Nicole. Nicole, I want to change the name of Alpha with let's say Nicole. How can I do that?
You want to change the name of Alpha, so you would do Control H.
Very good.
And you would type in Alpha, find what, and then change it to what you want.
Nicole, your name. I want to change it with your name. Replace all. Automatically you can see that Nicole has been replaced with the Alpha name. Okay. Now we learned how we can replace the text with the new text. Okay. Now my question is from Regan. Regan, I want to change the name of Bravo with Adams. How can I do that?
You're gonna hit Control H. We'll
No,
select
the first, select the
Yeah.
data. Very good.
select the data
Control
and then
H.
Control H, and then you're gonna type in what you want to change and then what you're gonna change it with.
Bravo with, let's say, Adams. I just made my replacement easily. Okay. Up till now, any questions? Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, Regan?
No, it's not clear.
That's great. Now my question again from Nicole. Nicole, these are the numbers. I want to replace the 0 with not applicable. How can I do that?
You want to replace which ones?
I want to replace 0, all the zeros
Okay.
here.
So you would select the data, and then you would okay, so all the zeros. So you would do Control H,
Very good.
type in 0, and then put what you would like.
Not applicable.
Not applicable.
Let's say replace all. It automatically replaces all the text. Now the issue is there. Regan, I want to move back because I just make it by mistake. I don't want this action. I want to repeat. I want to revise my action. How can I move into my last action?
You just hit the back arrow on the top left if you want to go backwards.
Yes,
And
this is called undo function. Undo.
Undo
Control
function.
Z is the shortcut. Automatically, I will move into the backside. Now, Nicole, I want to highlight all the cells that contain 0. Nicole?
Yes, so you would have to select the cells that all the cells, and then you would do F5.
In F5, there is no option for 0. For that purpose, I will go into the Control A. There is a find, there is a replace. Go into the find rather than replace.
Okay,
Select it, find all.
Uh-huh.
Now you can see it will go to the all the cells. Okay, there is a find option. It will tell you that you are in the book 1 Excel training worksheet, cell F15. There is a 0. There is a 0. There is a 0. Now you can see that it also giving me the 107 because there is a 0. But I only need 0. That's why I will go into the advanced option. Will say please match the entire cell. Now you can see it will give me only the cell that contain zeros. Let me do this again. Okay, Now I want to highlight all the cells, or I want to find that contains zeros. I will select my data, Control H, and okay. Let's say if I want to find all. Now you can see it select all the cells that contain zero. Either it is in between the number, it is 0, 105, 120, but we only need to highlight the cells that contain 0. For that purpose, we will go into the options. Then I will pick the match entire cell content. Automatically, it will pick only the cells that contains zeros, like this. Okay, we can jump into this cell, we can jump into there. The benefit of is that whenever you create a spreadsheet, this helps you to make or to create, or you can say, let's say, find where there is a name or etc. Okay, got it. Now my question is from Jack. So sorry, Jack, from Regan. Regan, I want to find all the names that contain Jack. How can I do that?
You're gonna hit Control A to select everything.
Okay.
You're then
Control
gonna
A.
Yep, and then you're gonna go to find on. Oh, yep.
Okay. Right here. Jack.
Yep, Jack. Find all.
Now you can see it gives me all the Jacks. There are 4 Jacks. Few are in small letter, few are in capital letter. But I want to find only, let's say, that is matching this case. Means if I'm writing the in small, it should be find the small letters. If I write here Jack, it should find the capital. How can I do that? In the options, you can see there is another option that called match case. If I click, automatically it will give me the only 2 Jack options that are in the capital letter. But if I write small, now it will give me only 2 options that contain small Jack. And if I write into the different option, let's say like this, find all, it is saying that I could not find your desired option with Jack. Got it? Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now my question is from Nicole. Nicole, I want to replace the Jack with anyone. We can replace any name. Let's say Mustafa. How can I do that?
Select the name column.
Okay, name column. If you want to select the whole column, just press there. Automatically, whole column would be selected. Then,
Okay, Control H.
okay,
All right. So you would do Jack replace with.
Mustafa. Replace all.
Okay.
Oh, he could not find Jack, but you can see there are 2 Jack. One. In fact, there are 4 cells that contains Jack. Why he did not replace it?
Because it's not. It's like sensitive. Case
Yes.
sensitive.
And if I want to select all the Jack and want to replace it with Mustafa, how can I do that?
I think it's find all or options. Options.
Then
Match.
unselect.
Yeah, unselect that. And
Sorry.
unselect that one.
Now it will replace all the Jack. Now you can see that Jack has been replaced with Mustafa. Okay, fine.
Yep.
Up till now, Excel is easy or difficult?
It's easier.
And what about my speed? My speed is fine.
Yeah.
Or I'm moving fast.
Pace is
Regan,
good.
this is good. Regan, what's your feedback? I'm moving fast or my speed is perfectly fine?
No, it's honestly perfect.
Thank you so much. And I would request to both of you, if you feel difficulty, let's say if I move with rapidly, or if I put more speed, you can highlight your concern and we can reduce it. Okay. Now, this is the data. Now my question is from Regan. Regan, I want to get, let's say, percentage share. How can I do that? Percentage share.
You want to add a percentage?
Let's say this is my data and I want to see the percentage. Let's say if I delete it, I want to see, let's say this is the total value. I want to see what is the percentage share of this, what is the percentage share of this, what is the percentage share of this. How can I do that? Is equal to this divided by total. Okay, through this we can get our percentage value. But now you can see this answer gives you the in fraction. I want to change it into the percentage because the formula for to get the percentage share is divide the individual value with the total value. This is my total value. Total value. Okay. Now, if I want to get the percentage share, definitely I would divide this number is equal to divide this with total value. Up till now, it is clear. Regan, Nicole, fine.
Yes.
Yes.
But the issue is that answer is in fraction, but I want to get my result in percentage. How can I do that? In the home tab, in the number formatting, I can change it from general to the percentage. Wow, I just get my desired answer in percentage without multiply by with 100 or applying the percentage, etc. I get my desired answer. Okay, and likewise you can reduce, increase decimal, or you can reduce decimal from there. Okay, now I want to get this percentage for all other cells. How will I do that? Simply drag it down, but I get error. Oh, what is the error? Here the answer is correct, but here the answer is not correct. Why? Can anyone judge what is the issue behind there?
It's because it's loading in the wrong row. It says E20, it should be E20.
Very good, very good. You point out the perfect direction. Nicole, you got the point. Why the answer is not correct? Here you can see E5 divided by E20. That's fine. But when I drag my formula down, here you can see it moves down, but it also moved down. And to get the right answer, I should lock it. Let's say if I put it E20, I will get my desired answer. And if I put here E20, I will get my desired answer. But my question is that for that purpose, I will do manually for each cell, isn't? Is it the solution? Regan, what do you think? This is the right solution? Let's say go there and apply E20 again, go there and apply E20 again, or not? Regan?
What?
Is it the right way?
Yeah, it's the right one. If you're plugging in E20, I thought you were showing us how you were gonna do it the whole thing.
But this is very time consuming. That's why I don't recommend you to go through this way. And for that purpose, because I want to lock this cell, for that purpose you can apply here dollar sign. Dollar sign means I want to lock my cell reference. In Excel there are three types of cell reference. One is relative reference, second is absolute reference, absolute, yeah. And next is mixed reference. Relative reference means there is no dollar sign, no dollar sign. You can see in the formula there is no dollar sign in each cell, because whenever I will go down, it will automatically move each cell. But I want to lock E20. For that purpose, I will apply the dollar sign, and to apply the dollar sign, you will apply F4. Automatically, dollar sign will apply into the each cell. Now, whenever I will drag it, now you can see formula is being applied easily. Now, because E20 is locked and cell is moving down as I move down my position. This is called absolute reference. Dollar sign means it will lock your cell. It will lock your cell even by drag down. Okay, got my point? Let's do this again. Nicole, I want to get the percentage share of each salesperson. How can I do that? Nicole?
Okay, so you would click on you do percent.
No, don't need to apply the percent. Equal to simple divide it. E5
Okay,
divided
yeah, equal.
by that's it. Okay.
Yeah,
Now, but I don't want to get percentage. I want to get my answer in fractions. How can I change it?
your answer in what?
I want to change this percentage into fractions.
Okay.
Into
So you would click on it.
go there in the number tab. The shortcut is Control 1.
Control 1.
Control 1 is the shortcut. You see this is the general formatting. This is the number formatting. You can increase or decrease the decimals. You can apply their separators. This is the currency format. But right now, because we are working with percentages, that's why I put their percentage with only 2 decimals. Wow, I just get the right answer. Now I want to get this answer for all my cells. How will I do that?
You would drag it down.
Okay, let me drag it down. But answer is not correct. Why?
Oh yeah, you said that. Ah.
I want to get my answer because as I move down, this cell is going down.
Yeah.
By for that purpose, what should I do? I should lock this cell E20. Okay, because I want to move down this cell. This is fine, but I don't want move down this cell. That's why I will lock E20. Now the question arises, how can I lock this cell? Just go there. I just brief you before. You will apply the $sign. It will lock your cell by drag down. And to
So
apply the $sign, I will write F4. I will apply F4 here. Go there,
okay.
F4. Now drag down.
So you would do F4 all the way down. So you would do F4 right above or right beside the last one, the last number.
Yes, F4. By applying F4, this cell will be locked. Now you can see in my formula.
Okay.
This cell is moving down, but E20 is being locked. Now let's do this again with the help of Regan. Regan, can you do this for me again? I just forgot what I did it.
All right.
Is equal to.
So you're gonna do equals, and then you're gonna do E5 divided by E20. Hit enter. Yep. And then after that, if you want to find the rest of them, you could go up and then hit F4 into the formula column, or you could either add the $signs if you wanted to do it manually, and then you would go back down and then drag all the way down, and then you would get your percentages.
Okay, now I want to change these percentages into the decimal. How can I do that?
You would click into so you'd click F1.
Control 1 is the shortcut.
Yeah, you Control 1. Control 1.
In the Control 1, there are multiple options. Let's go through all the options. Right now it is in the percentage. You can change it into the general format. You can see this is the general format. Press Control 1 and change it into the percentage with, let's say, 4 decimals. I can change it. Press Control 1. There are multiple options. You can change the alignments here. Let's say you can change it to the left indent or right indent. This is the right indent. Control 1. This is the left indent. This is the left indent. Control 1. You can fill, justify, or you can change the text direction with different angle. Means there are a bunch of options in Microsoft Excel. I just change the position. Sometimes it's very important to change the position. Now you will see, oh, why the answer is coming in this direction. For that purpose, you will just go to the control one. It will give you that, oh, I just apply the different degrees. Now 0 is fine. That's it. Okay. Now I can change my cell direction. I will select the whole data, control one, and let's apply the 0 degree. Now my data is fine. Okay, up till now it is fine.
Yes.
My question is from Nicole. Nicole, you can see the percentages with 4 decimal points, but I want to reduce it up to 1 decimal point. How can I do that?
So you would control 1,
Okay.
and then you would go to number,
Word.
and then decimal places move to 1.
Okay. Now, let's say if I want to highlight the background color with this, I want to change the font size with a different theme. Let's say this one with bold and with different color. Let's say red one. Now my question is from both of you. In fact, I have applied multiple formatting in this cell. Now I want to apply the same formatting in this cell as well. How will I do that? Will I repeat my steps again and again? Let's say go there, change it. In fact, I can't remember what I did before. Give the background color, red color, give the theme, let's say this one. But still I did not get my answer. Means I want to copy my formatting into rest of cell. How can I do that?
Would you
Do you
do
know?
Control C
Control C. Okay, then
and then shift down and then hit enter?
shift down and enter. Now you can see you get your desired answer, but because there is a formula over there, sometimes it happens. Let's say if I copy it and control V, now you can see the answer is not right. The best way for is that, let me undo this. Best way is that select the cell, then go there, format printer, click there. Automatically it will pick your formatting into the multiple cells.
Okay.
Okay, just
Okay.
go there, click there, apply here, go there. Now if you want to apply this into the multiple cells, select it and apply, double click, 1 2, apply there, apply there, apply there, apply there, apply there. Then when you're done, just press escape. Now you can do this again and again. Now if you see I want to move back my actions, there are multiple options. Oh, I don't want to format it, I don't want to bold it, font size, autofill. Okay, it move to it definitely move into the rest of cells. Okay,
Okay.
up till now it is fine. We should repeat it, or you are fine, we should move into the next step.
Yes.
Okay, let's repeat what we have done so far. Can you repeat, Dragon, from scratch? What is the difference between workbook and the worksheet?
Workbook and the worksheet. So workbook is the name of the whole thing, and then a worksheet is each sheet. So like the book is like the overall project, and then there could be different sheets for that same project, I guess.
Very good. In a single Excel sheet, in a single Excel workbook, Nicole, how many worksheets we can have?
As many as you need.
Yes, very good. And it is more than, you can say, 256 or even 300. Now I want to rename this worksheet. How can I do that, Nicole?
Either hit the right click button on the mouse, right click on the mouse, and then
Double click,
yeah, or double click it,
rename it,
and then rename.
or simple right click and go to the rename and give the new name like this. Nicole, I want to give the blue color of this rename sheet? How can I do that?
Right click
Hmm?
and then tab color, blue.
If you see, there are multiple colors because I am the Microsoft certified trainer. I have got multiple certifications. In certifications, you got the question there. Let's say, give the rename, give the color of your worksheet with, let's say, this one, gray accent 3, or they ask, let's say, gray accent 3 lighter 40%, or orange accent 2 darker 25%. That's why whenever if you want to give the Microsoft Excel certification exam, you should know, you should know that if you are in the blue, these are the lighter colors, let's say lighter 40%, lighter 20%, lighter 60%, and these are the darker colors, and these are the standard colors. Simple green is this, and this green with different accents and different colors. Okay, I hope you got my point. Even though you can move into the more colors, in the more colors sometimes they can ask you that go to the custom and apply the RGB, red, green and blue. Let's say red is 25, green is 55, blue is 250, and then you can create a new shade and you can apply the shade over there. Okay, now what is the shortcut to jump into the last column? Regan, what is the shortcut?
To jump into the last column, it would be hold on, it would be control down.
Control down will move you into the last row.
Row, okay, so the column would be control.
Very good.
Yeah.
Right arrow. Right arrow.
What?
Nicole, how many columns we have in Excel, in a single Excel worksheet?
Columns we have 16,000. Oh my bad.
More than 16,000. Let's
Yeah,
say if we want to see the exact column, go there. I'm in the, let's say, last column. But you can see this is alphabet. How can I see that? The function is column. It will give me the reference of it. You can see there are 16,384 columns. Okay, now let's say there are the few numbers, 1, let's say 10, 20. If I want to create the series, just select the cells and drag it down. Automatically it will create series for you, 10 to 170, and there is a window. It will ask you a question. You want to copy the cells? Yes, I want to copy it. Or you want to fill the series? Yes, I want to fill the series. And it will pick the sequence that I was just mentioned here. Let's say if you want to change it 10, 15, 20, pick these 3 cells. These cells will basically explain the Excel that I want to get the 5 digits cap. Just double click there. Automatically it will pick the data out there. Even though, let's say this is the color, and double click. Let's say if I double click there, there is the option copy cells, fill series, or if you want to only fill the formatting. Let's say if I delete the cells here, double click, drag it down. Now you can see it just give you the 10 fill series, or you can fill without formatting, or you can fill with formatting. Okay. Then Regan, I want to change the name of Mustafa with let's say Nicole. How can I do that?
So what you're going to do is you're going to click Control A and then hit Control H. And then you could then type in the name that you want to replace, and then type the name that you're going to replace it with.
Let's say any character name. Let's say Adams or White. We can change it. Replace all. It will replace the 4 replacements for me. Now, my question is from Nicole.
Yes.
Nicole,
Yes.
I want to change the 0 with the not applicable. How can I do that?
Control A. Control H. Let's see. I don't
0.
know. 0, yeah.
Oh,
That,
we did not find 0.
yeah, that's not gonna work. You could go to options.
Let me do this again. Select the data, Control H, pick the 0.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say not applicable. He's saying that, oh, I could not find the 0 here. How? Why? Although this is
Maybe
the
because
0.
there's multiple zeros.
No, this is not the issue. If you
Oh.
go there, it's fine. Let's see, is this a 0?
Mm-hmm.
This is a 0. Select the data, Control H, find 0. Let's say if I put the 0, then not applicable, or let's say ABC. There is a problem with this formula. Means he's saying that you are applying some formula over there. Okay, let me check it. Let's see if I want to apply this 125. Now you can see 125 replaced. What was the issue? Basically the issue was, let me undo this. Issue was with this, because it was picking all the zeros, and for that purpose I need to pick here as match entire cell contents, because it is assuming that 0 is there, 0 is there. That's why it is not giving me the right answer. Now you can see that it gives you the ABC. When where there is a formula, it will change it with the values, because we can't replace, we can't divide any text with the number. Let me do this again. 0 with, let's say, any number, replace all. Now you can see automatically it replaces all the numbers. Now my question is from Regan. Regan, please give me the percentage share of these, all the salesperson.
Okay, so first you're going to hit equal, and then you're gonna hit with E5, divide, put the divide, what, U20, and then hit enter. And then if you want to change it to percentage, you could do Control-1, and then go to number per percentage, and then you could change it to how many decimal places you want there, and then hit OK. And then if you want to do the rest of the page, you would have to go back up to the formula bar and then hit F4. And then you would go Control Shift down all the way and then hit enter.
Very good, awesome. I just got energy with your answer, because you got the point. This is very difficult concept, and you both are doing in awesome way. I highly appreciate it. Okay, now my question is from Nicole. Nicole, I want to copy this formatting here. How can I do that? Let's say I put it bold, italic, size. I want to copy this formatting into here in this cell. How can I do that?
Click on the cell that you want to copy, and then press Format Painter all the way down to the cell that you.
Very good, very good.
Yeah.
Now, Nicole, my question is that please replace all the blanks with ABC, or let's say replace all the blanks with 0. How can I do that?
Select all.
Okay.
And then Control-1.
Control
No,
1.
wait. No.
No.
It is, I know this one. Hold on. Control, not H.
Control H, but how will you
It's
pick
not
the
H.
blank?
No, it's not H. It's for, so, is it Control-1?
No.
Yeah. And then,
No. I want to replace the F5.
Oh, it's F5. Yep. Okay. Gotta write that down.
The blank. And now I want to replace these blanks with 0. How will I apply in all the blanks?
Okay,
0.
so can we redo it again? So it's be Control A, F5.
Let's Control A, F5, special blanks. Then,
yeah, and then you would do Control.
No,
ABC.
First apply what you want to do, then press Control, Enter.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, yeah.
You just got your desired answer. Now, my request is from Regan. Regan, please highlight all the cells that contain formulas. How you will do that?
So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to do Control A. And then after that, you're going to do F5.
Why F5?
Because that's how you get to the place where you could determine what you want to highlight, right?
Yes, I want to highlight the formulas. I will press F5, then
Go to Special.
very good. Special.
And then you would click on the what are we trying to, the formulas?
Formula.
Yeah.
And then change the color for your convenience. Wow. Now, my question is from Nicole. Nicole, select all the cells that contains text and give the red font color.
That contain what exactly?
Text, all the cells that contains text.
Let's see. So Control A.
Okay, then
F5.
Then
Special.
good.
And then pick the one that can, what is it that has text, right?
Constant.
Formula.
And unselect all others. Just pick the text.
Yeah.
Text, only text. And take the red color. That's it. Now, my question is from Regan. Regan, I don't like this formatting. I want to this like this. Means I want to remove all the formatting in the cell E4. How can I remove it?
You want to move it where?
I want to remove formatting in cell E4. How? Very simple. Select any cell, go to the format painter and apply it. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the second way is that select the cell. Let's say if you want to remove the formatting from there, select the cells, go there in the home tab, in the clear, and in the clear there is an option called clear all. Oh, it will remove all the data. I don't want to clear all. Go there, clear formats. Yes, I want to remove the formatting. Now Nicole, you can see the data is in the decimal point, but I want to put in percentage with four decimals. How can I do that?
So
Nicole?
Yes. So you would do Control 1, or yeah, you have selected it. So Control 1, and then decimal, and you want it as a whole number, or four? You said 4 digits.
0.
Yeah.
Wow, I just got my desired answer. Okay. You can see how easily I'm just transforming the Excel concepts with you guys, just by repeating again and again. This is the best shortcut to get the Excel in a highly efficient way in a short period of time. Just do again and again, just like I'm doing with you guys. I hope you people are enjoying the concept, how I'm just moving it. isn't?
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you so much for your appreciation. Okay. Now let's move forward. Now I want to change my question. Let's say this is the total value. I want to apply the here, let's say max, minimum, small, and large. How will apply the function from in there? Will you help me, Nicole?
All right, you would do equal sign, max,
Then
tab.
no. First write the formula, that is max.
Yeah, max, yeah. And then tab, and then you click on the column.
Shift down arrow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it will give you the max number. Likewise, min. And now I want to get a second minimum. How will I do that?
So you would do equal sign, small, array.
Array means
And,
select the
yeah.
whole array.
Mm-hmm. Comma, 2.
Very good. I want to get the fourth maximum.
You're gonna do the same thing. So you're gonna basically hit equal and then hit large and type in large. And then for array, you're gonna go from the top to the bottom with shift down, and then you're gonna hit comma, and then you're gonna hit 4.
Very good, very good. I just really appreciate you people are growing very rapidly. Now I would request to Nicole, can you share your screen and do the same thing in 5 minutes? Or what you have learned so far, how easy now you can move it, what is the function of control down arrow, cell, etc. Can you share your screen?
Okay.
Let me make you the presenter. Are you people are enjoying this training or not?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good.
Okay. Please, Nicole, share your screen and explain us. We just forgot what is Excel and how we can learn it.
Okay, so can you hear me?
Yep.
Yes, we can.
Okay. So you would just, in order to move about the column, you would do control down. Wait, oops. It's control, right? Control arrow.
You're right. Basically, whenever you will
Okay.
put control down, it will stop whenever there will be a value. And
Yeah.
finally, it will move into the last row.
And then control over is the other arrow. Obviously control back. And then to get to the top, you would move up with the control arrows. Let's see. Let's just type in.
Apply the function small, large, just create a database.
Okay. Okay. So, let's see. Some large, small. Okay, so I would do, can I do it like this? Equal, sum, tab, this one, shift down, 21, press enter. No, it didn't work. Why am I having trouble?
No, you are moving in the right direction. Answer is correct.
What? But why didn't it why didn't it do it?
Don't worry. Don't worry. It sometimes happens. You can close and open the workbook again.
Okay. Did I? Hold on. Let's see.
No issue. You can apply the function. So we can fix it later.
Okay. Ah, what did I do? Okay, and then equal sign large tab array, click and then shift, and then I want to do 1, right, or 2? Does it matter?
2.
Why isn't it working?
Sometimes it happens. Don't worry.
Okay, let's see. Small tab.
Very good. Now I want to get the percentage share.
The what?
Percentage share.
The percentage?
Yes.
Okay.
You can close the sheet and create again. Suppose then issue will be resolved.
To recreate another one?
You can create another one, blank workbook, and see the
Okay.
function applies here or not.
All right, I'm confused. So you want me to create another one?
It's up to you. You can create another one, even though you can close it and open it again. Issue will be resolved.
I'm just going to create another one. Okay.
Now see.
Huh? What do you, so you want the percentage? Percentage, right?
But do you know percentage did not come like this way? For that
Yeah.
purpose, you will select the total. You will create the total value by applying the sum function.
Mm-hmm.
Then you will create a percentage for each cell by dividing it.
Yeah. Okay. Sum. Okay. And then I'm going to do percentage. It would be, hold on, I'm gonna have to remember equal. No, yeah, okay. It would be this and this.
No, this is not the right way.
No.
Put the divide sign.
What did I have to do?
You put equal
Okay.
B A5.
So BA5 or
No, just put A5. Just put A5.
okay. Can I just click on it?
Yeah, try. You try.
Okay.
Yeah, hit the little
Divided, right?
Yeah, and then click A9 or A10.
Oh no, I would do 21. The total, huh?
No. Oh yeah, and then hit enter.
Okay. And then to change it, do it as $sign, right?
No, to change it to percentage,
Yeah.
you're gonna click Control 1.
Control 1. Ah!
No, not when you're in there.
Hold on.
Actually, you are inside your formula. That's why
Enter.
to apply formatting, apply F4 to apply the $sign. Or
Okay.
if you want to change the formatting, then press Control 1.
Okay, so I'm gonna do Control 1. And then percentage. Yeah, so that's right. And then just press OK.
Yep.
And then To do all of these, I would do,
Go to the formula bar
yeah,
and then hit F4.
F4. Okay. The control or shift F4, I don't know.
Or you could just add the dollar sign.
What?
Or you could just add the dollar sign
I'm just gonna add the dollar sign.
and then add it to the in front of the 10 too.
And it's control, right? Don't I press control or no?
No. You applied the dollar sign manually, but for that purpose, you have to apply the dollar sign by using F4. No. This is not the right way. You can see the error is there because you applied the dollar sign only in A. You have to apply in A10 in the whole cell.
Okay. I only applied it to A.
By F4, press F4.
Okay. F4.
Oh, you do this again. F4.
Is it control F4?
Simple F4. Sometimes basically it is possible in your laptop. It maybe come from function F4. It depends. Sometimes in laptop.
Yeah, it's just hard to like. I see it, but I don't know how to get to it because it's like control or
No.
I don't know.
Either it would come through F4 or function F4, FN F4 in your keyboard.
Okay. F4.
No.
Okay. I know like the dollar sign one. This is easy for me.
This is not easy. This is the manual way. You have to go through the proper procedure. That is F4. Now the point is in your laptop, the F4 comes either from function F4 or simple F4. It depends on your laptop.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it because I see F4, but I just like it doesn't like allow me to choose it, or I don't know how to choose it honestly. Do I do FN F4?
Yes, FN F4. Yes, FN F4. Always remember to change the cell. First, you move inside your cell. Yes, now you got it.
Okay. Okay. So then
Great.
press enter, right?
Press enter and apply this formula into the rest of cells. Drag it down.
Okay.
Very good, very good.
Okay,
Great.
that makes more sense.
Now change the percentage into numbers.
Okay. So it'd be control 1. Percentage numbers. Actually, hold on.
Actually, you did not select your data.
Yeah.
This is the first step. Always select your data, then go there.
Okay. Number. Hold on. Control 1. Oh my God. Excel is just. I am. Okay, control 1. And then I'm gonna do number. Why is it? Oh, okay, yes. It's good. I did it.
Now increase the decimal up to 3 without using control 1. Without using control 1, increase the decimals.
Increase the decimal?
Up to 4.
Okay, without using control 1? Without using control 1?
Yes.
Oh, shoot.
Go to the home tab in the yes, this is the good option. You can do this from there as well.
Okay.
Yes.
Decrease, increase. Okay.
Wow, you are learning very fast. Awesome. Now, how to apply the format painter? Can you do this now?
How to show the formula?
Format painter.
You want me to show it?
I want to apply the format painter. Format painter.
Oh, okay, okay. So that would be here. So,
Apply. Yes, very good.
and then,
Very good, very good. You got 10 out of 10 marks in the first quiz.
okay.
Now replace the percentage with share. Replace the percentage with share.
Share.
You can see in the cell B4, this is the written percentage. Replace it with share.
Okay. Oh, you want me to
No,
do
no.
it like, hold on.
Don't worry,
Control
no.
H.
Control H. Yes, very good.
Replace all.
Place all. Very good, very good. Awesome. Now highlight all the cells that contain formulas.
Okay, that contain a formula. So that would be control 1. No, you would do control A, control 1, or no, it'd be F5. F5, right?
Yes.
Okay. Special formulas. And press OK.
Very good.
All right.
Very good. Create a new worksheet. Rename with your name and apply the red color. No, now my question is create a new worksheet. New worksheet. This is not a new worksheet. This is a new worksheet.
Create a new worksheet. Okay. Ah!
Press escape.
Or escape.
Yes. Now create a new worksheet. Rename it with your name and give the color your favorite color. Which is one is favorite color? Any color do you like?
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Now, Regan, can you share your screen and do the same thing like this Nicole did?
Yes, I could try.
Because this is very important. This is the initial phase. You need more practice, and because whenever we jump into the advanced functions, it will be difficult for you to grasp it.
Okay.
Share your screen. Let me make you the presenter. Very good, Nicole. You got 10 out of 10 marks. Nicole, are you there?
Hello?
Hold on.
Yes.
I'm saying very good. You got 10 out of 10 marks in first quiz.
Okay, cool.
Hold on, real quick.
We are waiting for you, Nicole. Oh, sorry, Dragon.
Can I hold on? Can I come back real quick? It's telling me I have to restart it real quick.
No issue. You can do that. Nicole, you can share your screen again. Let's do some more practice.
Okay. Let's see. Okay.
That should be
see
good.
Oh, okay.
Reagan has come back. Please share your
Yes.
screen.
Hey, roommate.
We are waiting for you. Egan, are you there? Nicole, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I guess Reagan is not there.
It might
Let's
be his
wait for-
computer, honestly.
No issue, we can wait for him. Wait for him. He's trying to connect.
Can you try to give me access one more time? See if this works.
Accessing the another system. Done.
Oh. Can you see my screen?
Okay.
I don't see it.
What the oof? Hold on.
Now we can see your screen.
Oh yay.
We are
Fun.
using Mac.
I am.
The shortcut in MacBooks are slightly different from Windows. I hope
Yeah.
you understand it.
I was trying to follow along when she was doing it, so that's why I had these numbers up already.
Okay.
But basically, if you want, you could do like control down, or what is it, command down? Yeah, command down for me, and then command up. Oops. Yeah, so it's command. But no. Command up. Yeah, so it's command for me. So command down, I could go all the way to the side. So if you wanted to, let's just delete all that. So we could do Jan, go down, and then we could put down. So we do sum, max, min. So if I wanted to get the sum of everything, I would hit equal sum, tab, and then enter. And I've got the sum right here. If I wanted to get the max, I'd hit equal max. Oops, forgot the tab. Equal max tab, enter, and then if I wanted the min equal min tab, enter, and then if I wanted to do percentages, I would yeah. Where is it from? So I would do equal, what is that? B3 divided by B9, and hit enter. I'm already in percentage. And then if I wanted to do this, I think for me it's Command F4 or Option.
Try simple F4. Try simple F4.
Oops. Oh. Yeah, and then I could then oops, yeah.
Very good.
Yep, and then that's how you get all of that. And then if I wanted to make a new sheet, I could go over here. I could rename it. Tab color. For that, I could go back. If I wanted to do this, so I could do, let me see if this works. Is it Option A? Yeah, Option A. Let me get my book real quick with all my notes.
Go to F5. Select all cells that contain formulas.
Wrong one. Oh, hold on.
No issue, no issue. You both are moving awesome because you people are getting the concepts very easily.
Okay. So, is it Command A for me then? No. Oh yeah. So, Command A. And then Command 1. Nope, I just did that. I don't know why I just tried to. Hold on. Boom.
No issue, no issue. By using Shift, or you can select the cells.
So Shift A. No. Command A.
You can, yes, do this from mouse as well.
And F1 then? No. Control 1.
F5, F5.
F5.
And might be it would come in your laptop through F and F5.
Welcome to VoiceOver. VoiceOver speaks descriptions of items on the screen.
Press escape. Press escape.
Press skip. Where's that at?
The point is, you are getting concept what we want to try. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, you got it.
I understand
F5.
it.
Okay, I can understand that. You are just being familiar with the tools, but you know the concept that how you can apply this.
Yeah, my other laptop, I have a Windows laptop, but it's slow right now, so I'm using my Mac so I could get good internet.
Okay,
But I understand the concept.
sorry, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Nicole, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
hello.
that's it. Okay. Yes, yes, I can hear you. Don't worry. I can hear you. Just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Let's do some advanced examples of Excel. Okay. If you see, okay, now let's see, we have few names over there. Few names, you can say that if I write few names, Mustafa, Nicole, and Regan, Adams, Jack, Lee. You can see in the names, what is the issue here? If you see the names of the employees or salesperson name, what is the issue here? Nicole, can you identify what is the issue in all these names?
They're formatted differently.
Yes, this is the issue. Means few are in the caps, few are in the small, formatting are not correct. And I want to convert all these letters in the upper format. Okay, how I can do that? By using the function upper. Select the data. Automatically it will convert the cell into the upper format. How easily I can move into the upper format? Likewise, it is possible that you need to convert into the lower format. Simply apply the function, apply the lower, get your data, automatically it will move into the lower format. Now you can see all the issues have been removed. All the name, all the small caps are moving into the lower format. Likewise, you can move into the proper format, is equal to proper. Select the cell, just got your desired answer. In the proper format, you will see only the first digit will be highlighted in capital, all will move into the small. Okay, got my point? We learned how to apply the upper function, lower function, and proper function. Clear? Nicole, Rajan, clear?
Yep, we're good.
Good.
Nicole? That's great. Okay, now the question arises, let's say if you see there are the names that contains few spaces. If I write my few name with extra space. If you write here the name with, you can say Nicole Hancock. You can see that although the name has been written, but it contains extra spaces. How can I remove these spaces? Any idea? Let's say we have a Mr. Reagan, Jimmy Adams, Jack Lee, etc. You can see that although the names have been converted into the upper format, lower format, proper format, but still you can see there is a space, and I want to get rid of these extra spaces. How can I remove that? Any idea? Jack, Nicole, any idea? Sorry, Regan, not Jack. For that purpose, in Excel, we can use the function called trim. Trim will remove extra spaces. Is equal to trim. Pick the text. Automatically, you will see extra spaces happen. In a single click, you can see the magic of Excel. By using simple clicks, I can get my desired answer without any hassle. That's why I always prefer my students to learn Excel. This will increase your productivity. Let's assume you have the staff name that is more than, let's say, 5,000, and you want to remove these extra space. If you don't know the shortcut, you will go there, remove the space again and again, and it will just destroy your whole weekend, isn't? Like by using trim function, we can remove the extra spaces. Now the question arises, though we have removed the extra spaces, but still the names are not in the proper format. For that purpose, we applied two functions in a single cell. How? Let's say if I apply this like trim upper function. How can I apply the two function here? Let me show you. Equal to trim means I want to remove the extra redundant spaces in my character. Then inside the trim, I will apply the upper function. Now you can see I have applied two functions in a single cell. Then select your text. Close your parentheses. If you see in the parentheses, red has been closed because this is the internal bracket or internal parentheses, then outside parentheses. Now you can see automatically the text have been converted into the upper format, and like extra spaces also have been removed. Simple drag down. Now you can see extra spaces also have been removed, and numbers have been the text have been converted into the upper format. Can you repeat, Nicole? What is proper, upper, lower, trim and upper?
Honestly, that one was a little bit, I have to follow it again.
Don't worry. Let me remove it. Let me go back.
So,
Let me delete it. I was saying that you can see there is a staff name, and there is a, you can say, the formatting issue. Formatting issue means there are extra spaces between first name and the last name. Few are in capital, few are in small, few are in not in the proper format. And for that purpose, there is a few functions in Excel like upper, proper, lower, trim. Upper function basically convert all the text into the upper format. By using upper, select the text. There is a single argument, just do this and drag it to the down. Clear up till now? Dragon, it is clear?
Yeah, this is good. I understand it.
Right. And Nicole?
yes,
You good?
it's good. Thank you.
Okay. Then I can convert into the proper format as well. Proper format means first letter will be capital, then all other letters will be the small. Wow, just do it. Likewise, we can convert into the lower format. Though one issue has been removed. One issue means we just change the formatting, but still there is extra spaces in all these solutions. Here you can see extra space, extra space. Here I can remove the extra space by using trim function. I just do it. But though I remove the extra space, but still formatting is not correct. For that purpose, I will apply the two functions in a single cell. Trim plus upper. That's it. Means I want to remove the extra spaces and I want to convert the text into the upper format. Is equal to trim tab. Now inside your trim function, you will apply another function, that is upper, lower, whatsoever is your requirement. Press tab. Now you can see there are two functions in the formula bar. Then select your text. First function closed, second function closed. Means cell have been moved into the upper format first, then it will remove the extra spaces from E3. And in the E3, you can see this is the name. Simple, drag it down and you will get your desired answer. Got it? Nicole, yep. Fine?
Yes,
Nicole,
thank you.
can you share your screen and do the same thing? Will you, Nicole, I am asking to Nicole. Nicole, can you share your screen?
I'm trying. Let me just click on it.
And create a few data sets in front of us. And again, you can help her if she is not moving in the right way. Zoom in. Okay. Write few names with certain issues, then apply the proper, upper, lower, and trim functions. always starts with heading. First write the heading. Why are you writing these names? And write the names with first name and the last name so that we may create some problems, then we will fix it. Write the name with first name and the last name with some spaces. Very good. By this you will get practice in Excel spreadsheet. Wow. Very good. Please explain what you are doing. We can't hear you. You are a teacher now. Nicole, please explain what you are doing, which function you are applying, where you are applying, what is the issue you are facing, so that we may help you.
Hold on, I'm having trouble with this part. So it's like I click on it and I should press enter and it should go, right? Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. What are you saying?
So this one, I like clicked on this part and then I went like this.
No. You are not dragging it. Drag it down, then you will apply your function. Click on the cell again and drag from the bottom right side, where there is a small, yes, drag it from there. Yes. Now you will
Oh,
get it.
I don't know why it wasn't doing that. I guess I didn't drag it. Okay.
Doing for others as well. Explain us.
Okay, so do that. And then I'm gonna do this one.
Very good.
Oh gosh. Okay. Oh no. Hold on. Copper. Tab. This. Enter. And then this one equals trim. Tab. This. Enter. Oops.
What is the issue?
Why is it? Hold on. There it is. No, why is it doing this?
Basically,
Maybe I'm just slow. Hold on.
you are not.
Yeah, I'm not clicking on the button.
Yes. Now it will be fine.
Why is it so annoying? Okay. Trim. Tab. Upper. Tab. And then. Oops.
No issue. It is asking me that you did not close the parentheses. Do you want to do this? I would say yes.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Now,
Okay.
Now my question is from Nicole. Nicole, I want to get how many characters I have in cell A8. How can I get it?
If you want to correct what?
I want to count how many characters in a cell A8, A9, A10. How can I get it? I want to find the length of the name. How can I get it? Not go there. Not go there. Go to the cell G8. Apply the font. function, that is
Okay.
cell G8.
D8.
G for good.
Okay.
Yes. Equal. Right.
Equal.
Len. Press tab. Select the cell A8. Yes. It will tell you know that how many length of you have, means how many digits or characters you have in a single cell, and you can drag it down and found characters over there. Very good. Now you can if I ask you to please get the length of the column E, how you will get it? All
For
the
which
cells in the
one?
column. For column E,
Hold on, I'm gonna write down that.
for E8, E9, E10.
Okay. So you want me to find how much in this? This one?
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Yes.
What do you want me to find?
I want to find the length of this.
Okay.
In
So
the apply here in the cell. Yes. Apply here.
equal length. No, no. What would it be?
Len, length.
Len.
Len, tab, not
Do you-
length.
Okay. All of it?
No, you will just pick the single, then drag it down. Okay, that's great. Then drop it down. Very good. Let me share my. Regan, are you with us?
Yes, I'm following along.
You are doing practice in your MacBook or not?
Yes, I am.
You need to do. Okay, let me share my screen so that we move into the next phase. Okay, if you see, we just got the concept of len function as well. Len function. Len means it will give you the length of digits in a single cell. Digits or characters, you can say that. And if we see the trim, means I remove 4 extra spaces from this. Here you can see 18 characters. Here the name is same, Ghulam Mustafa.
Echo.
Here is 14 characters.
What are you playing?
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Sorry.
Okay. Here you can see there are 14 characters and here is 18 characters. Though the name is same, but what are the 4 digits there? Because there were extra spaces, and we can see there. If I remove the 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will give me the same answer. Means I can reduce as many as spaces, extra spaces, by using the trim function. Okay. Now let's see if you get this data, and I want to copy this and paste into there. Copy and paste it here, but I did not get the copy paste. Why? Nicole, you got my point? I'm trying to copy. Let's see how. Select the data, copy and paste it here. You can see that I am not getting the right answer. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Let me copy it again. If I copy from there, select the cell, copy, or use the shortcut that is Control C and paste it here, or paste it here. It is giving me the right answer. But if I copy from there, copy, and paste it in there, it is not giving. Now it is fine. Why? Let's say if I copy from there and paste it here, it is not giving me the right answer. Why? What is the issue?
I'm not sure.
Regan, can you explain what is the issue?
I have no clue.
Very simple. You can see here there is a formula. There is a formula. Whenever I copy the cells, basically it copy the formula from these cells like this. You can see here there is a formula, because there was no dollar sign. As I copy from there, automatically keep the cells again and again. You can see there, you can see there. Means there is a formula. If you press the tab, you can see that there is a formula over there. But on actual, there was no data. Let's see if I copy the data here. Now you can see I get my desired answer. For that purpose, whenever you want to copy the cell that contain formulas, you will copy it, copy, then go to the paste, down arrow. There are multiple options over there. Simple paste, paste formulas, paste, keep formatting, paste values. And now you can see formula have been removed from these cells. You can see in the formula bar, there is no formula now. There is no formula. There is no formula. Like means if you want to copy any data, if that contains formulas, then you can't simple copy and paste. For that purpose, you will go there and there are multiple options. And paste as values is the best option to remove, to get rid of that formulas. Got my point? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And Nicole, fine?
Yes.
Okay, means I can copy and paste my formulas, like paste my data like this. Meanwhile, you can copy it and paste here as a picture. Now this is a picture. You can cut and paste into anywhere and send to anyone. Let's see if I paste it here. This is my picture. Likewise, if you go there, let's see if I copy this data. Copy and simple, you can paste as a link picture as well. Link picture means although this is a picture, we will get lunch break. Definitely, Nicole, we will get lunch break.
Thank you.
If you see, this is a picture, but this is a link picture. Link picture means if I change the month name, let's say December, you can see the magic over there. Although this is the picture, but the data is being updated. If I change my data over there, let's see if I change it. Control enter. You can see data has been updated easily. If I change into the number formatting to a different formatting, control 1. I can change the currency, let's say. Now you can see data is being updated easily. If I want to change the color, color will be applied here. Means whenever you want to copy the data, it's up to you that you want to copy as a formatting or a simple data, or you want to simple paste the formatting, paste the picture, link picture, etc. Clear?
Yeah, makes sense.
Nicole, can you do this for me? Then we will give the lunch break. Right now, there is a right now you are in 12 p.m. Okay.
Yeah.
Nicole, can you share your screen again?
Yeah.
Because I want you to do practice with me about the paste special options.
Okay. Hold on. Let's see. I guess it's going to tell me that it's going to share.
I would request to Regan to do the practice in your laptop as well. And if you want to share your screen, let me know. I will allow to you.
Okay. So, all right. What do I need to do? Tell me where to
copy. Let's say copy this data and paste. No, copy. Control C. Yes, this is the copy. Copy.
And then
paste anywhere in that worksheet. Very good. Now copy the data from D, from column D, not A.
Column B?
D for duck.
Delta. Do you just want me to do this one, right? Like just this?
Just only select the data, copy and paste into any other cell.
Whoop. Where did it go?
Where did it go? This was the question. You can see in the formula bar, still the cell are being copied, but why not you get the answer? Regan, can you explain? Where did they go?
Well, because you pasted it without using the formulas, so you're gonna have to go back, and when you paste it, you have to use the formulas. So go back to copying everything,
Okay.
and then copy it, and then go down to the little arrow underneath paste.
Arrow underneath paste.
Yeah. And then you could click one of those.
No. First select the cell. No. First select the position where you want to paste, then apply.
Okay. And then do that.
Select the cell. Okay, now do that. And
Yeah.
there is an option called paste as values in the middle of the left. Paste as values where you can see 1, 2, 3. No. Bottom. In the third row. In the third row and first column. Paste as values. No. Values. This is the link picture.
No.
This is picture. This is simple link. This is formatting. Means you can paste your formatting. No.
Paste link.
Don't press. I want to get the values. Above. That is in the option.
Uh-huh.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Paste as values in the middle, in the third row. Left side. In the middle, left side. Go up. Yes. This one. This is values. Means from this you will remove all kind of formulas and data will be moved here.
Okay.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Now
Yeah.
you can paste as a picture and then paste as a link picture. Paste as a picture. No. Paste as a
Okay.
picture.
All right. I'm gonna do
What
this
is the
one.
difference between picture and the link picture?
One is a picture of the what you copied, and then one is the link to the picture.
So if
Means
you
whenever you edit your data, the picture will be updated automatically.
yes.
Okay. Do you want me to do this as a picture?
Yes.
Okay.
Very good.
And then
You didn't copy.
yeah, I did.
Oh.
I did Control C.
Link. Now you can change your data. Your link picture will be updated. Yes, this is link picture. Very good.
See, like this one shows where it's at.
That's great.
And
Now
this one doesn't.
it's up to you. Sometimes it basically whenever I do email, I usually copy my data and then paste as picture. Then I send that picture to others so that they don't edit my numbers or edit my emails. This is a good example for it. As you can copy and paste as a picture, then send that picture to email anyone, and it will be great that they just can see your data, but they can't edit your data. Got my point? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now I guess we should take a lunch break of 1 hour.
Okay.
And after lunch break, I would like to give you a short assignment. Would you do that? Short assignment means you will simply write all the concepts, whatever we have learned so far. I want to see how much concepts you retain. Start from the very basic. Let's say control function, shift function, how to rename the worksheets. What is the difference between worksheet and the workbook? Quick access toolbar, formula bar, name box, blah, etc. Means as much as maximum concepts you just gone through in our first session, in the first half, just write it down. Basically the benefit of that, it will keep and record with you, and even after this training you can get the reference from this file as well. Okay. 1 hour is for lunch break and half an hour is for data assignment. Then we will come at 1:30 p.m. Fine.
Yes.
Okay.
1:30 p.m. We have total, although we have 8 minutes having passed, you have around 80 minutes. 80 minutes would be fine. 60 minutes is your lunch break and 20 minutes is for that assignment. Okay?
Okay.
Let's join at 1:30 p.m.
Alrighty.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hello. Is everyone back?
Yes, I'm
Hello.
back.
Okay, that's great. Have you done your lunch?
Yes,
That's great. And what about your assignment?
I'm working on it still, but yeah, I'm getting it done though.
Nicole, can you do? Have you done your assignment? If yes, then please share your screen.
Yeah. I can show you.
Just I just want to I would just want you to wrap up what we have learned so far, so that your notes will become easy, and you can get reference from these notes in future as well. Okay, Nicole, can you explain? Okay. Who shared the screen? Nicole. Okay. Can you elaborate from the start?
Okay,
Nicole?
so I wrote down some notes. For example, control 1, that is in regards to formatting cells.
Yes.
So let me see, go to Excel. So control 1, and then you can choose like how you want, if you want to change like how it is written, like the date and such. And then if you go to control A, that selects all, kind of like what the notes they talk about control A. And then if you want to do like formatting like the same, then
Very good.
you would do and then oops, not like that. Okay, so if I wanted to do that, then I would just do this and then do like this, the same. So it would be format painter right here.
Very good.
And then control with the arrows moves everything from columns and rows. Control delta shows formulas. Equal, and then formula, tab, and then the numbers, and then press enter, and that'll create your formula for whatever you're wanting, which is like here. Let's see. Like in this regard. Let's see. And then formula tab, numbers to enter. Well, yeah, I already stated that. And then control H is to find and replace words or numbers or phrases, whatever it is. They can be specific with case sensitive or not case sensitive. It just depends on what you're wanting and what you want to find. F5 is to go where you can fill in like the spots on the Excel, like the little part here. So you would do not F4, F5. And then you would choose special. You can choose whatever ones you're wanting to fill in, whether it's formulas, you want to do maybe just text, and then it'll click all the text. You can highlight it. You can change the color, whatever. Pretty colors. Let's see.
You got the concept.
Yeah.
I got it. Let me wrap up what we have done so far in, let's say, 15 minutes. Let me share my screen. Very good, Nicole. You people can see my screen?
Yes.
That's great. Initially, I just told you that one is called the title bar. I have already gone through this. I will share these files with you guys. One is called title bar. Two is called quick access toolbar. We can customize our quick access toolbar by simple adding. Let's say I'm using this tool again and again. If I'm using this tool again and again, I will right click and post it to the quick access toolbar. Then we know the tabs. All these are tabs: home tab, insert tab, and in all these tabs, these are called ribbon. Means in the home tab, all these functions are there. And 6 is called formula bar. I told you before. 5 is called, this is called name box. Name box, you can call any cell from there. Let's say if I want to go any cell, let's say G55, I can easily go into that cell. And likewise, if you see there, these are called worksheets, and these are called scroll bars. And 11 is zoom option, means you can zoom in or zoom out. Let's say I can increase the zooming or reduce the zooming as well. And the options are called page setup. Right now I'm in the normal page. Then there is the page layout.
It should be in call.
I'm facing some noise. I don't know from where.
I think if you just click the side of your phone, the volume, there's one that's called in call volume.
Someone is talking with me?
No, sir.
Okay. If you see in the page setup, there are 3 options. Normal view, where you can see the screen in the normal view. Then there is a second option, page layout. In the page layout, basically it is telling you that if you print your sheet, it will beyond from this screen. And in their view, we can see whole screen. This is called the page break view. This is called the page layout. This is the normal view. Normal view is most recommended view. In first, we learned what is the, you can say, the interface of Microsoft Excel. Then in the second phase, we applied some basic functions, like from this, let's say we have data, we applied how to apply the sum function. Simple select data, press tab and select data, that's it. And drag to the right, automatically formula will apply it into the rest of data as well. Then we learned how to apply the average function. Like we apply this by using shift, we can select the data and we can apply simple drag down. We can get the minimum value from our data. Likewise, we can get the maximum value, and then we can apply some large function where we can get, let's say, second maximum, third maximum, fourth maximum. Select the data, and if you see in the formula, there are 2 arguments. First, select array. Array means select range. K means which number you want to get. Let's say if I want to get the second maximum, I will put 2. If I want to get the 5th maximum, I will put 5. Let's say in this scenario, I want to get second maximum, I will press 2. Likewise, if you want to get the second minimum, press is equal to small. If you see in the formula, there are 2 arguments. First argument is select range. first argument is select range, and second argument is if you need second minimum, you will press true. Automatically you will get data for you. Then you can simply drag it from to the right. And likewise, I have designed this course for you guys so that you may practice after this class. Let's say if you want to apply some functions, you can apply in there. How some can be applied, some can be applied through some range like this. And like if you see, if I ask a question from you guys, although the function was the formula was started from equal sign, but why it is not being applied here? Like the issue was facing by Nicolo. Nicolo, can you explain why the formula is not being applied here? Because if you see formula, because you can see there is a space before equal sign. If I remove this space, automatically function will apply there.
Okay.
We can't start function with space. We should start with equal sign. Then we get our desired answer. And here are multiple examples for average function, max function, minimum function. I would send this file to you as well so that you may do practice. Then we learn some F5 functions. Select the data, press F5, go to special, select the blanks and change the color as per your requirement. Then we learn how to check the formulas. We can check formulas and give any kind of color. Let's say if I want to apply this color, then we can select the data and replace the blanks. Go there, blanks, automatically all the blanks will be selected. Right here, let's say NA, not applicable. Then press Control Enter, not Simple Enter, because I want to apply this in all these cells. I will apply Control Enter. Automatically it will apply it into the multiple cells. Okay. Likewise. Likewise, let's say my question is from Nicole. Nicole, I want to change this advanced Excel to the Power BI. How can I change it?
You want to change advanced Excel to?
Let's say I Power BI. I want to change advanced Excel with Power BI. How can I do that?
Okay, Control H.
No. First, select the data by using Control A. Automatically, data will be selected.
Oh, okay. And then Control H. Yeah.
In Control H, there are two options: find and replace. In the replace, you can change it advanced Excel with, let's say, Power BI. Replace all. Automatically, you can see that advanced Excel has been replaced. And let's say I write some name here, Mustafa and caps, Mustafa and Mustafa again. I want to change Mustafa with let's say Adams. How can I change that? Select the data, Control H, Mustafa with Adams. Wow, it is being changed in everywhere. But if I want to change only for the name that is on capital letter, means case should also be considered, then I will go there in the options. I will pick the match case as well. Now you can see that it will only replace the name that match the exact. Okay, we have gone through this as well. And next, if we go there, we learned about the relative and absolute reference. Let's say if we want to apply the percentages like we applied there, these are few heads, and this is the sales value, this is the total value. And I want to apply the sum function, or I want to get the percentages over there. How can I do that? Is equal to this divided by total value. As I apply, the answer will come in percentage. But the point is that if you want to change this percentage into the any other number formatting, the one way is that you can go there and this window will open for you. The second way is that press Control 1. This is the shortcut. Change percentage with a number or increase or decrease decimal. Now data will be affected. Now simple drag to the down. But why the error is being happening? Why the error is coming?
You have to do the F in F4.
F4 to change it to the dollar signs.
Basically, as I move down, we can see that these 6 move by D7, that's fine, but D26 should be locked because I don't want to move this cell as well, because I want to divide this value with this value, then I want to divide this value with this value, but we can see this is also being moving down and down. That's why
Yeah.
I will apply the dollar here by using F4 function. What will this dollar sign do? This is called absolute reference. It will lock the cell. Even whenever I drag it down, cell will remain its own position. Now I can drag it down.